Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my fellow surveyors. It's your surveyor Bright Chukwueze. Some of you guys chatted me on how to plot some of the tools that you don't know. Some of the tools, actually you don't have to know some of the tools, but for the sake of time I'll just show you some of the tools here. You don't have to know all the tools. Sorry for my words. You don't have to know all the tools, but with time you will know most of them. The more you plot, the more you learn. So first of all, I'll start with this. The line. This is the line. It is used to plot, to draw coordinate, distance, and bearing. But the line, when you draw, use line. When you select it, it selects an individual line. This is the line. While the polyline, when you select it, when you finish drawing, you select it, it selects it selects the whole line. You can see they do the two difference. Then this is the cycle. The cycle is used to, let me say, close some work, and with time you learn more on what we use the cycle for. This is the arc. This is the arc. It can also be used to, some of the arc, we have some arcs here. It can be used to draw the true knots when drawing the true knots. This is the rectangle. This is ellipse. Sorry for the noise. This is the ellipse. Most we don't use this most times. Maybe on detailing, that is where this is used. This is the hatch. This hatch. If you want to hatch something. This is the hatch. This is what hatch is used for. With time you know what we use hatch for. So this is the move button. For example, you want to move this, select it and move it. This is the rotate. You want to rotate this. This is to trim and to extend. This is to erase. You want to erase something, maybe this, to erase this, Ctrl Z. So this is the copy select. You want to copy select this. This is the mirror. For example, you want to make this double. Click on here. See, you can do this. Here is a mirror. Escape. Then this is the chamfer and fillet. It's used on the road. Okay, with time I'll show you that when we are doing. This is the explode. In case for this polyline, you can explode it to become line. Okay, this is the stretch. You can, let me see, forgotten what the stretch is used for. Okay, this is what the stretch is used for. So you can just use your hand and time and then it. Offset is for the road, maybe 1 meter. You click on it, 1 meter. You offset the road. So this for road. So with time you will see what we use it for. This is the text, this dimension. So to put text is to put text. Text, you can just write something. So no, I don't need it. So dimension is to, you want to put, so do this for engineers most times. It will give you the distance. This is different. We have a land desktop piece. We have label. For this we don't have auto label. This for engineers. So this is the annotation. You can change the text size and others. And this is the layer property. This is the block properties. These properties. This is to measure the distance. This is to measure distance. Check the distance and the bearing. And these two ID points, as I've been using on my old video. Go and watch my other videos to know why I use the old ID points. And these are the quick selects. don't think I know what that is used for. Is the calculator. This is to calculate. You now have your calculator. You can use this. And this is the point star to put the beacon. This is the paste. And this is the view. I don't know what this is for. So this is what they are. And coming down, we have the coordinate. I'm the one that on this coordinate. I can off it by clicking here. Offing the coordinates is no more. So if I on it, it comes back. So this place now is works at owning some of the tools here. You can on it so that you use it. So I click here, it shows you the units, whether it's decimal or anything. So this is it. So this for the grid, to grid this the interface. See as I off it. Then this is, I think, also works as grid, snap to drawing. And this for dynamic, and in case you click online you can. Okay, then this for auto. The auto now makes the line straight when drawing. It makes it to be very straight. That it goes in the 4 quadrants. Okay? That is the 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and the 360 degree. So it goes in, should I say, in what word would I use? Just goes on straight line. That's all. I think that is okay. So off the auto. Auto is used when maybe they're drawing a straight line. So when you on it, it shows blue. When you off it, so this is the, I think, I don't know what this is for. With time when you're working, you yourself will know. So this is what we mostly use. This is the auto snap. The snap is what they use most often. We use in drawing. When the snap is on, when you click on line, if you come, it will snap the point where you want to place the line. To help you to just put the point exactly. That is the use of. But when you off the snap, if you come, it will show you any point. You can drop it anywhere. So that is what the snap is. And you can also format your snap by telling it what you want it to do. With time we will learn about this. So this is the annotation object. I don't know what is it. You can teach me also by commenting and telling me what it can help others. Then this is the, okay, with time we'll learn this because this, okay, this to customize your drawing. You can put this to okay, this to customize drawing. This okay, you can set some of the inside. You can put it to 3D, but we are using drafting and annotation. If you put it to 3D now, it change your screen to 3D view. That is for engineers and others. It's not important, so we'll go back to the one that we are using, which is normal. This is it. It's rearranged everything, so that's no problem. I can change it to the point the way I need. I move this. So I say this current. This for quick properties. If you off the quick property, click on it, it won't show you anything. But when the quick properties on, click on it, it gives you the properties about it, and isolate objects, and I don't know what other those ones are. And this model layouts for your drawing, there's for printing, and you use model. So that is some of the tools in AutoCAD 360. You have the insert. This is for picture. If you want to your reference on AutoCAD, this is how it is to import an image. This is annotation. These parametric engineers. This view properties. Some of the properties, you can drop a property so that if you click on your line, you can see the properties here. I don't use that. You can use it if you want. manage this to run script to load application. With time we'll learn how to run script. Outputs, adding A360 express to this auto number to auto numbers on to auto number. This is when you are doing parcellation. I will also show you how to do that in my next video. So these are the tools that we use. So why I'm skipping some is because it's not relevant, it's not used most often. So thank you, and I'll be expecting my next video soon. Do like, share and comment, subscribe to my channel so you get notification. To remember that my next video I'll be showing you guys on how to plot how to produce a complete survey plan, first by putting distance and bearing. Thank you. I'm out.